Hey guys, what's going on? This video is going to be about last month or two. We've done some work to the car, and it's like a little catch-up video. This opening segment is my buddy Steve getting his car moving for the first time in 5 years. But I hope you enjoy it. Stick around to the end. We found some spots that wouldn't up to par. We had to go in and fix. Like right here, there's a little low spot in there. And I don't know why it was in there, but it was. But we got it ready to go. We're going to put 3 more coats of primer on it and do some more sanding on it. My favorite thing to do. But anyway, let's get it done.
Grab a couple pieces. That long? I guess. Yeah. You said a couple. Yeah, I'll grab one.
I mean, you don't want to attach to that fine stuff?
No, I don't.
Wish we blew this thing off of right in here. Got dust all over.
Well, I didn't.
I went to the van and came back, it was in here.
Should have been in here. You should have been in here ramrodding this.
I didn't know it was going to happen like
Just
that.
run a hose in from out there and do it.
Okay.
Run a hose in from out there and boil it down. So look, all you're gonna do is basically go around here. You're gonna back tape all this, all the way around. Okay.
I got it. I ordered that for the shop. When I saw it, I started up. Only that when I walked in.
I remember when you drug it up here. I remember seeing it. It was pretty rough.
Yeah, I still got to take that bumper off. Yeah, there's still dirt in that bumper.
Yeah. He done the top. Just do from here down. Yeah.
All right, guys, here we go. Got another 2 or 3 layers on it. Coming out, still got some spots I got to work out though. Here we go. She's coming together. Show y'all what I just did. Lining the hose up, I put the wires down through. But it's best to do it before you put the door up here. I learned that on the last one. Anyway, just get ready to line it up. All right, guys, got this door pulled. Let me show you how it turned out. Feels pretty good. Got the new hinges on it. But we're going to put the trunk on next. Alright guys, there it is. She's on there. Get some wet strap in it, a little bit of grease for the spring. It's pretty good. Line up on both sides. We're gonna go from there with it. But that's it for today. So I'm gonna put in this video. You guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Hopefully I'll have a little bit more done next time I update you guys in a video. But till then, stay tuned.